Also, I recommend picking up one of these, and I'm a little disappointed that something this price doesn't come with one of these. It makes cutting those hairs and stuff off your beater bar, brush, whatever you want to call this, way easier. Again, something this price, I would expect a little gadget like this instead of having to purchase separately on Amazon, excuse me. Also, another flaw, they say you can remove this. I tried, and now it just comes off and will not go back on. Or, I mean, it will go back on, but it just keeps coming off instead of staying locked into place. So, these large screws have to be removed to get to this small screw to remove this filter.